Hi dear students, today we discuss about increasing and decreasing functions. First we'll go through the basic terminologies and then we'll solve example based on multiple choice questions. So first point, if f dash of x, that is a first order derivation, greater than or equal to 0, then it is increasing in open interval AB. If first order differentiation greater than 0, then it is a strictly increasing in open interval AB. If it is a first order differentiation less than or equal to 0, then it is a decreasing in open interval AB. And f dash of x less than 0, then it is a strictly decreasing in the interval, so it is an open interval AB. Like this it is categorized. So now solve examples. So based on this, so let us begin with the first example. The function f of x is equal to tan x for all real values x not equal to plus or minus pi by 2 plus or minus 3 pi by 2 is, then we have to find whether it is a increasing, decreasing, neither increasing nor decreasing, fourth one none of this. So in order to find whether it is a increasing or a decreasing function, we need to find the first order differentiation. Here we observe that f of x is given, so f of x differentiation is f dash of x and tan x differentiation is sec square x. It is a sec square x, and we observe that this sec square x is a positive quantity which is greater than 0. Therefore greater than 0 means by our this rule, that is it is a increasing function. Therefore option A is a right answer. So you can take a screenshot of this. So very easy concept it is, you can remember these things. Yes. So next example, the function y equal to x cube. Okay, so y equal to x cube plus 5x square minus 1 is decreasing, so it is less than 0. So we have to find, and in which interval it is a decreasing we have to calculate. So we have to find the first order differentiation. F dash of x equal to, it is a 3x square plus 5 to the 10x. Constant differentiation is 0, no need to write. It is a decreasing function, so we have to take first order differentiation less than 0. So we have to take x as a common, so we get 3x plus 10 which is less than 0. So we get x less than 0. Another one is solution for x is minus, it will be greater than minus 10 divided by 3. Combining this, we are going to get this as 0 less than x greater than x greater than minus 10 by, it is a 3. Therefore option A is a right answer. Option A is a right answer. You can take a screenshot of this page, right? Okay, fine. We'll move to our next example. The interval in which the function is, so not so clear, I am writing this, y equal to x square e raised to minus x is increasing. In which interval it is increasing? For this we need to find a differentiation. So y differentiation is a y dash. Further we have to use the product rule. First function as it is, second function differentiation minus e raised to minus x, second function as it is. So first function differentiation is 2x. So it is a increasing, so we have to take greater than 0. Therefore the function I take it as a greater than 0. So minus x square e raised to minus x plus e raised to minus x 2x which is greater than 0. Then further we have e raised to minus x as a common, so e raised to minus x inside a bracket I am going to get 2x minus x square, which is greater than 0. Okay, so we observe that, so first function is greater than 0, second function x is a common, so we get 2 minus x, which is greater than 0. So we get x value is 0, greater than 0. One more 2 is greater than x we are getting. Therefore, the interval is 0 to 2. We observe here 0 to 2. Therefore, option D is a right answer. Okay. So like this we have to simplify. So in this range 0 to 2, the function is increasing. So you can take a screenshot of this. Yes. Fine. We'll move to a next example. Right. Example number 50. So f of x is ax plus b is strictly increasing for all x belongs to R if and only if the value of a are what? Yes. So I take a function is f of x equal to ax plus b. In order to find a increasing or decreasing, we need to find a differentiation. So f dash of x equal to, it is a. So further it is a strictly increasing. So we have to take f dash of x. So first order differentiation greater than 0 by definition. So f dash of x, this is a is greater than 0. Therefore option 3, a greater than 0 is a right answer. Yes, you can take a screenshot. Yes, we'll move to our next example. Yes, f of x equal to, I write a function f of x equal to, it is a x cube plus b x square plus cx plus d. Then I find a differentiation of this f dash of x equal to, I am going to get 3x square plus 2bx plus c. Then further, see, we have to take, it is a quadratic equation, b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac, b square 2b, it's a square, 4b square minus 4ac, a is 3, c is c itself, right? So what we observe here, b square is less than c. Therefore what we observe, f dash of x is greater than 0 because of this condition. Okay, so f dash of x is greater than 0. Therefore the function is increasing. Therefore, so in the range minus infinity to plus infinity, the function f of x is increasing. Okay. Yes, you can take a screenshot of this page. Yes. Next example, if log of 1 plus x minus 2x divided by 2 plus x is increasing, then we have to find an interval, in which interval it is satisfying this relation. Okay. Yes. So we will take the function as f of x equal to log of 1 plus x minus 2x divided by 2 plus x. Okay, so we'll find a differentiation, f dash of x equal to, log your differentiation is 1 by 1 plus x. So we have to use a product rule. So denominator as it is, numerator differentiation we get it as a 2x as a 2 minus numerator as it is, denominator derivation it is a 1 whole divided by denominator square, 2 plus x whole square. So further I simplify, it is a 1 divided by 1 plus x, and here we get 2 into 2, first one is 2x plus 2 into 2 4 minus 2x divided by square. Like this we are going to get it. So like this function we have 2x get cancels. If we take a LCM, we are going to get a positive quantity. Therefore, it is a greater than 0. So I can write f dash of x is greater than or equal to 0 for all x, means so it is 0 less than x less than, it is a infinity. Therefore option A is a right answer. It is defined for all positive integers. So 0 to infinity, option A is a right answer. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this. Yes, we'll move to our next example. In the interval -3 to 3, the function f of x equal to x by 3 plus 3 by x. Then whether it is a increasing, decreasing, that we have to calculate. So f of x is there. So we will find the first order differentiation f dash of x. X differentiation is 1. We get 1 by 3. And 3 by x square differentiation is minus 3 by, it is x square. Like this we are going to get it. So if we take a LCM and simplify, we get this as x square minus 9 divided by 3 x square it is. So further, f dash of x is less than 0, we observe it. Yes, so less than 0 we observe. So because see x square minus 9, okay, so denominator is transported to RHS, it will become a 0. So less than 0, so x square less than 9, so x value we are going to get as minus 3 and it is a plus 3. Yes, so minus 3 and plus 3 we are going to get it. Therefore f of x, it is decreasing function. Yes, so in the interval -3 to 3, the function is decreasing, right? So like this we have to solve it. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this. Yes, we'll move to a next example. The function is f of x equal to 1 minus x cube minus x raised to 5. We'll find a first order differentiation. F dash of x equal to, we get minus 3x square minus 5 x raised to 4. Okay, the function is decreasing. So decreasing means f dash of x is less than 0. So minus x square is a common. So we get a 3 plus 5 x square is less than 0. Okay, so this is the answer we are going to get it. Okay, yes, so here x equal to minus x square, 3 plus 5x square less than 0, all values of x it will take it. So option 4 is a right answer. Option 4 is a right answer. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this. Yes, so next example we'll do. The function f of x equal to tan inverse sin x plus cos x. Then x greater than 0 is always an increasing function on the interval. That interval we need to calculate. So f of x it is. So we find a differentiation of that, we get a f dash of x. So tan inverse x differentiation is 1 divided by 1 plus x square, that is sin x plus cos x whole square. Then inner function is sin x plus cos x. It's a differentiation. We are going to get this as cos x. Sin x differentiation is cos x. Cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Like this we get it. So further, so it is a given that increasing function. So I am taking f dash of x is greater than 0. So denominator transporting to RHS, it will become a 0. So I am taking only f dash of x numerator function, that is cos x minus sin x, so which is greater than 0. Then I get cos x which is greater than, it is a sin x. So when cos x is greater than sin x, the range is, yes, we observe 0 to 45 degrees, 0 to pi by 4. So you can see cos x, it is a very high value as compared to sin x. Yes, so 0 to pi by 4 interval, so this relation satisfies. Therefore option 3 is a right answer. Option 3 is a right answer. Yes, everyone, you can take a screenshot of this. Yes, we'll move to our next example. Example number 56. F of x equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 9x plus 3 be a decreasing function, then x lies in which interval we need to calculate. So first I will find the differentiation f dash of x. So x cube differentiation is 3x square minus, as it is, 6x square differentiation is 12x plus, as it is, 9x differentiation is 9. Okay, so further it is a decreasing. So decreasing, then we need to find the factors of this. So 3x square minus 12x plus 9. So factors are x equal to 3 and it is x equal to 1, we observe. And the function is decreasing, means f dash of x is less than 0 in the interval 1 comma 3. Therefore option B is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. You can take a screenshot of this. Yes, now we will move to next example. The function f of x equal to log x divided by x is increasing in the interval. So f of x is there, so we need to find the differentiation of this. I am going to get f dash of x as, so denominator as it is, numerator log x differentiation is 1 by x minus numerator as it is, denominator differentiation is 1 whole divided by denominator square. X and x get cancels, 1 minus log x. So the function is increasing. So what happens is f dash of x is greater than 0. In a denominator function I am transporting, I am going to get only numerator function 1 minus log x is greater than 0. Transporting we get 1 greater than log x. So nothing is there, base we have to take it as a e. So we get e raised to 1 is greater than x. So we get e is greater than x. Therefore the function is increasing. The function is increasing. So here it is there 0 to e. Yes. So 0 to e, the function is increasing. Therefore option 2 is the right answer. Option 2 is the right answer. Everyone, you can take a screenshot of this. Yes. So next example, if f of x equal to x e raised to x 1 minus x, then f of x is. So first we will find the differentiation. F dash of x equal to, we have to use a product rule and find the differentiation. So I am going to get this as x e raised to x 1 minus x. So I am going to get 1 plus x minus 2x square. Okay, and we observe that It's depends on, the function is depends on 1 plus x minus 2x square. So we have to simplify this one quadratic equation. If we simplify, we get x value as a 1 and another x value as minus half. So see, using these values, so we observe that the function is decreasing. The function is decreasing. So in this range, therefore 1 and half and minus half it is. Sorry, minus half and 1 it is. The function is decreasing. Therefore, yes. So option 4 is a right answer. So like this we have to solve. Right. Yes. So you can take a screenshot of this. Yes. So we'll move to our next example, 59. If f of x equal to k x cube minus 9x square plus 9x plus 3 is increasing on a real number r, then so which of the following is correct? So f of x is over, then we have to find a differentiation f dash of x. So we get 3x square k minus 18x, 9x differentiation is plus 9. Then it is increasing. Increasing means first order differentiation we have to take it as greater than 0. Greater than 0. It is increasing. So further I take b square minus 4ac quadratic form. So condition is less than 0, usually less than 0. So b square minus 18. Okay, so b square, so 3 we have to divide it, and simplification we get k greater than 3. So in this example, b is a minus 18 and a is 3k and c is 9. This value we have to substitute in this equation, and simplifying we get k greater than 3. So option 2 is a right answer. Option 2 is a right answer. Like this we have to simplify. Yes. So we'll move to our next example. You can take a screenshot of this. Yes. Okay. Next example. The function is f of x equal to e raised to 2x minus 1 divided by e raised to 2x plus 1 is increasing function on R, decreasing function on R, even function on R, none of this. The function is like this. So the given function is f of x equal to, it is a e raised to 2x minus 1, it is whole divided by e raised to 2x plus 1. So we have to find a differentiation of this f dash of x equal to denominator as it is, numerator differentiation. Yes, so denominator as it is, numerator differentiation minus numerator as it is, denominator differentiation, whole divided by denominator square, e raised to 2x plus 1 whole square. So on simplification, so we are going to get this function as 4 times e raised to 2x divided by e raised to 2x plus 1 whole square. So we observe that the entire numerator as well as the denominator, it is a positive quantity. Positive quantity is greater than 0. Therefore we can say that, so it is increasing function. Option A is a right answer. Option A is a right answer. So today we have discussed about this increasing and decreasing function, and tomorrow the continued part will do it. So till now we are doing a application of a differentiation only. Yes, so this is continued part, we'll do it in a next session. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much once again.